The stables at Whitby, Crossbutts. That's the pub next door. Looks like there's a lake behind it. Lovely pond area with lighting up, with bridge over. Got pheasants and ducks. Luna is interested in the ducks. Hello Luna. Nice little courtyard for ground floor rooms. So we're in room 2 of the stables. And they are actually old stables, horse stables. Lovely old stone floors. Let's have a look at this hotel. And there's Luna. Hello Luna, you already in bed?
Give him a wave.
So let's have a room tour of room number 2 of a stable. So we've got nice stone floors, carpet, lovely bed, big bed, like the wooden features along the top of the bed, with Aberdeen Angus pillows. We've got a fan, small window. Being a horse stables, I wonder if that's where the horse box used to be. There is a chair as well. It's lovely and warm in here if you come in winter. You've got bedside drawers, a nice clock, looks like an old-fashioned radio, modern TV, flat screen TV, tea and coffee making facilities with coffee, some biscuits, tea and coffee, decent sized wardrobe for all your clothes. There's another fan in there as well, some coat hangers, one of those things for putting your suitcase on. Got your thermostat for your temperature. Go and have a look in the bathroom area through the old stable doors. Nice sized bathroom. So we've got WC. You've got your sink, some toiletries, and a nice big shower. So we paid £120 per night for this room, and then an extra £10 to bring Luna the dog for the night. Like the old wooden beams on the top. It's really nice, really decorated, lovely and warm as well. So that's it, small short room tour, not large but adequate size. Really nice for a couple of nights stay near Whitby. Hello Luna, how do you think it is? Do you like it? So there is extra power sockets at either side of the bed, as well as the bedside drawers, table lamps. Lovely view into the courtyard stables, and it's going to be a nice quiet evening tonight here. We have a restaurant and bar, and you can take your dogs to both the restaurant and bar area, so you can take your dogs everywhere. In fact, I prefer to take your dogs than leave them in the hotel room overnight on their own. Doggy menu. So you've got doggy tapas. Dinner for one, do they? You can have a roast dinner or fish and chips. Or you can have doggy beer. We've got grilled black pudding. That looks nice. Game tureen. Scotch eggs. Steak and ale pie, fish and chips, scampi and chips, beef bourguignon, fish pies, games, venison, steaks, pizza, and best bit, desserts, cheesecakes, bakewell tart looks nice.